Hi and welcome to day 3 of Inktober Tangles 2023. I'm Anica, a CZT from Croatia, and today's tangle is Caro by Lucy Farron. And it's basically a fragment. It's a fragment that you draw in a triangle, and then after you have this triangle, then you mark where the middle of the triangle would be, and you start drawing hearts from this center towards each of the corners of the triangle. You draw hearts and then you add the order line that is basically Zentangle term for the parallel line, and it's parallel to the edge of the fragment. And that's basically it. You can use some embellishments, like add these orbs and then ink in this background, the little triangle behind the hearts. So now when I look at my drawing so far, I don't think that I will do this particular fragment. The power of fragment is in drawing them in a grid or in a reticulum, and as you draw the fragment inside a reticulum, my dog is just drinking some water, you might hear her. Then you get wonderful meta patterns, so some new unplanned structures. And I don't think I can do it here. So what I will do is basically extend or draw, I don't know how to even describe it. Anyway, I will draw like parts of those triangles, only one corner of the triangle, and I will just imagine that it's going down right here, and then I will start here and draw this heart. And I'm not even sure that I will draw the other two hearts. I will first, well, let me try to do the same on all sides. And I'm trying to draw a similar size of this triangle, but as I said already before, I'm aware of the fact that I can't do it perfectly, so I'm not even trying to be perfect with the placement, with the shapes. I'm just rolling along and trying to do what I can to make this look nice. Now I'm pondering, thinking about what I will do. Should I maybe try to draw another one on each side? Well, I can try. I already know that I don't have space, but I will try. And you can see how I'm rotating the tile so that I draw very similar thing on each side. I'm basically just repeating the same stroke, and here it will be more of a full heart shape. And then I will do one here, and then the third one right here. So my spaces are not totally the same, which is understandable because I'm doing this by hand, and it's not like I can just repeat these shapes like a robot. Oh, kind of cute. What I will do is I will add these orbs to fill. My dog is playing with her toy. I will add these orbs to fill these little nooks between the hearts. And then I will take some time to ink these crevices or interstices with my black pen. And I think that, you know, this might be a very busy design because I'm just going to add one tangle after another, and this is why I think that this inking in might actually be a good thing, because it will add some contrast so that it's not all filled with lines and small shapes. I think this might be a good thing, but I'm doing a very simple thing and I don't think that it's interesting to watch. So I'm going to pause the recording now and get back to you later. Okay, I'm done with inking in this space, and the only thing I will do with my pencil is shade right next to these leaves of my flower, and I think I will not try to shade the flower shapes, or the heart shapes, I'm sorry. So I'm blending, just lightly blending with my blending stump these shades, and I'm thinking about how this might be it for today. Looking cute and looking forward to the next day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.